Hello, my name is Antti Tlabu and I am a native Amharic speakers from Ethiopia. I am community on Italki and I am here to help you masters the Amharic languages in a fun and easy ways. That means አማርኛ ስንማር በንግግር በባህልና በታሪክ የታጀበ እንዲሆን አደርጋለሁ። ለጀማሪዎቹም ሆነ ቋንቋዎችን ማሻሻል ለሚፈልጉ ተማሪዎች እንደ ፍላጎታቸው አዘጋጃለሁ። እኔ ጋር ስትማሩ በነፃና ያለ ምንም መሳቀቅ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ። My lessons are tailored to your needs, whether it is for travels, business, or connecting with your roots. Please check my calendars and book the trials lessons. I can't wait to meet you. See you in class.